What's up, everyone? 2024 Bowman Sapphire, 2 boxes, PYT number 65. We have We have a 15-spot filler, 7 teams to draft here. So let's just go through it real quick. I got 2 spots for Ghost of Al Davis. Spencer came in for 2, Caleb in for 2, the Picker for 1, Steelman in for 2, the 1-2, Average Joe 2, Royo rounds it out. That's 15. Good luck. Top 7 are gonna draft here. 5. Top 7 draft. Good luck. 3, 4, and 5. The 1, Royo, Spencer, Caleb, and Spencer. 3 plus 2 is 5. This was a 15-spot filler. Also, Average Joe in the 1 because they were the top 7. Yankees, I assume the 1. We're going to go here with the Yanks. You let me know if anything is different about that. Royo got the Red Sox, who are the next available. The Phillies. The Phillies are 99. If you guys want to let me know, if you guys want to get ready, prepared for your pick, your draft. Royo's in for the Red Sox. Okay, cool. I got you, Royo. Nice, the 1. Dude, that is 6, Steelman. That is really cool. Philly for Spencer. Obviously. And then Caleb, where are we at? Jays? I think the Jays. Spencer. I assume the Astros here, Spence. And then Average Joe, if you want to let me know. If you want to let me know. Angels or Diamondbacks while I start opening here. Angels for Average Joe. That rounds it out. Sorry to those who might have missed. Thanks for the filler. Let's do this thing. Angels here for Average Joe. Five. Top 7. Good luck to everyone here. Two box. Wait, real quick. I'm not gonna go any further. I'm gonna add all of these Sapphires to the store here, okay? Let's add a whole bunch. So we're gonna add a new case. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. All those are uploaded into the store. I'm glad we got those. Next case is in the store for the 2 boxers. All right, thanks for your patience. Let's go. 2 box of Bowman Sapphire here. Nothing in our first pack. Yellow here. Roman Anthony starts us out. Base auto here coming up. Nice Walker Martin. Nice Walker Martin here for the Giants. All Sports. PC Peace. Green of Brooks Lee at a 99. Twins and B-ball. Gold. I love gold. Zavala out of 50. Padres and Pelissipe. Orange. Of Asian ball, Anthony Baptiste for the Mets here in Smith. 9 out of 25 on him. One box left. Luke Kershaw getting Tommy John surgery. It's brutal. Base auto here. Nice Aiden Miller for the Phils and Spencer. Let's go, Spencer. Aiden Miller base. Actually, let's check that Aiden Miller real quick, because usually the corner, I should have left it on the... Usually the corner of the Aiden Millers has been all goofy. Not this one. This one is not goofy at all. Usually you can't even get into the top loader. That one's perfectly fine. All the other Aiden Millers we've seen, base autos, that corner is crushed, cracked. Not this one. Samuel Basayo here out of 25. You got it, Spencer. Nice hit. Let's go, baby. Yeah, right? Right, Chad? That was who it was, right? It was Aiden Miller. I'm pretty sure, because I remember Karam was chasing Aiden Miller, and he only got Aiden Miller colored autos. No base autos. Everyone else was getting base auto Aiden Millers and getting messed up. Yeah, the Aiden. Green Adonamo here, and we have one pack left. Weird pack here. 5 cards in this one for no reason. Weird. Okay. I don't remember a pack with 3 in this 2-boxer, but maybe there was one in the case. Nothing much in that one, folks. Here's your recap. Yeah, me too. Yellows, gold, Chase Davis, Zavala, orange, Asian ball, Samuel Basayo, team color match, Aiden Miller and Walker Martin. Actually, 2 not bad autos, just base, 2 base. 2024 Bowman Sapphire 2 boxes, PYT number 65. Thank you.